Warning: do not attempt to move on to the next step before you're confident, comfortable, and relaxed with the previous step. I prescribe practicing 3 days a week for maximum results. Hey, I'm the swim doctor from Swimology. Now, it says here that you're having trouble with front floating. Alright, I'm gonna recommend that you jump into the water and get comfortable. You're not? Okay, no problem. Check out my previous video on how to get comfortable with the water. Okay, now what you're gonna wanna do is jump in the water, grab the side of the pool, and stretch out as far as you comfortably can. Next, you're gonna wanna hold your breath, put your face down into the water. I want you to look down at the floor, okay? Don't look in front of you, look down at the floor. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift one leg up as comfortably far up as possible. You don't wanna go too far up or else it's gonna hurt. And use your other leg to push up and meet the other leg. If you're holding your breath, you should be floating. A common problem I see with new floaters is they lock their hips. Now look at Billy. He's locking his hips. What that means is you're not letting your legs come up far enough for you to float. So if your legs are pointing down even just a little bit, your legs are gonna start to sink down to the floor. Now watch what happens when he relaxes and lets his legs come up all the way. If floating is still difficult for you, I prescribe using a pool buoy until your hips feel more relaxed. I recommend using a pool buoy a few times and then try it a few times without the pool buoy. That's gonna help you kind of understand where your hips should be, where your legs should be, and how your body should be floating. Keep trying this until everything feels nice and relaxed and comfortable. Alright, I'm the swim doctor, and I'll see you guys later.
Perfect, perfect.